2004 Chevy Trailblazer with the 4.2 inline six. Today we're going to be replacing the oil pressure sensor. Let's get to it. Alright, underneath the vehicle. On the four-wheel drive models, this thing's a little bit difficult to get to. We have just this little tiny window. Right on top of your oil filter, you can see that sensor right there. That is your oil pressure sensor. Now we're going to go ahead, I know this is a crappy shot, but it's the only window you get. Ow, my fingernail. Disconnect the connector. I don't know if you can see that, but there's oil inside of the sensor. Looks like it's dripping out. It must have an internal leak inside of the sensor, and that's why it's acting up. Let me see if I can't get this wire out of the way a little bit more. To remove that sensor, you can fight and put a adjustable wrench up there or something else. It's a 1 1/16 deep socket. Go ahead and put that socket on there. I'm gonna put a ratchet on it, but there's not gonna be enough room to really show all that. So, got the sensor broken loose. Might need a catch can because you're probably gonna leak a little bit of oil. Oh, no oil. Oh, there's your old sensor. And we got our new sensor. Make sure you double check the fitting. It is the same 1 1/16. It's a very strange measurement, but what you gonna do? Go ahead, thread your sensor in. I'm gonna put my socket on here and see if I can't tighten this by hand a little bit. And tighten it down with your ratchet. And all you gotta do is plug it back in. Not difficult. It is hard to find if you don't know where it is though. So I'd figure I'd make a video about it. It's not gonna be a long video, but might help some people out. I'm gonna go ahead, before installing this connector, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out with some electronic spray. Electronic cleaner from CRC. Stuff always does a pretty good job. Hopefully it doesn't make a liar out of me. Let's see if I can't worm my hand up here and hold it while I spray. Give that a good cleaning. Get some of that old oil out of there. And go ahead and connect your connector. That went in so much easier. Now that it's nice and clean. Looks like my tab's not down though. That means it's not in all the way. There we go. A little bit of a struggle, but that tab goes down, locks it in place. That's pretty much it. Easy day. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.